Please read the disclaimer. Hello, beautiful people. Shalom, moneymakers. How are you doing? We got some breaking news, some breaking XRP, crypto, US government news. I was actually not planning on making another video, but I just had to jump on the mic. Mic check 1 2 1 2. And bring you this breaking news because I think if I would have waited for tomorrow morning, it would have been a little bit passe. So all I asked from you is that you give me a beautiful smile to send out those good vibes. Smishity smash that like a button and let's get into it. So what was the big news? We're going to start off with the big news, and actually we're going to go to some other news that I reported on before, but I don't know how the algorithm is going to react to another video. So we'll talk about that as well. U.S. government to reopen, according to reports. Access is reporting that the Senate Democrats are ready to back a bipartisan deal to reopen the government. Majority Leader John Thune says the agreement is nearing completion, right? So after weeks of the government being shut down, the U.S. government, that creating fear, that creating uncertainty, seems that the market might be ready for a reopening, right? Not the market, the the government. And last time the government reopened after a shutdown, the crypto market and Bitcoin in this sense went on a very big run up. Now, again, it had started at January 19th, which was right before the pandemic there, and the markets were very strong in general. So it's not surprising that kind of run up happened during that year going into March of 2020. The markets were very strong. There was a significant rally in the markets. Many people were saying that it was overbought, it was too high, there was a lot of factors, and then the pandemic there came in and we went down significantly. Bitcoin dropped back down to under 3,000 after that happened. But theoretically, this could be one of the things that helped the market a little bit get a little bit more pizzazz, maybe a little bit more oomph, right? And right now we're seeing XRP up 2.42%, Bitcoin up 2.25%, Ethereum up 5%. You can see actually Ethereum is getting closer and closer to a potential crossover here on the 1348 EMA on the 4-hour chart. So that is something that we need to take into consideration, that could happen. We could have positive momentum, right? Positive momentum. It seems that the George W. formation did not play out, but we could have still a crossover here on the 1348 EMA. And so it on the 4-hour also Sol is getting closer and closer. So we'll kind of get a direction here in the next 8 to 12 hours where we're going in the short term. Again, these are all short-term potential movements of what's happening, right? You can see lots of green here, but it will be very interesting to see. Again, it's not done, right? They still need to vote, but I don't think that these kinds of reports would be coming out if it wasn't something that was very close to completion. So that is, of course, a bullish thing for the crypto market, right? Because the crypto market has had its lumps in the past few weeks, of course, with the China situation, and then this kind of Monday morning sell-off that we saw with fear creeping back into the market. Potentially, this could be one of the things, the catalyst that could send the market back up. The fact that Bitcoin never closed under 100,000 on the daily was a very bullish sign. And so potentially we could see the market flipping into something more positive than we've seen recently, where the crypto market has been just uninteresting to many people because of the sell-offs or lack of price action, and also because of, again, the anticipation that we were hoping that we would see the market already go into its banana zone by now, and that is not happening yet. Again, these videos for educational purposes, entertainment purposes, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. I do not know day to day what is going to happen. I don't know what the president's going to say. I don't know what Congress or the Senate is going to do. And I don't know, what's going to happen around the world. So that's very, very important to remember that daily, day to day, the markets are volatile. Again, long term, I have my thesis. By the way, I decided to open the Telegram group to everybody. So if you are interested, link is in the description down below and in the pinned comments. And so you can come join. I think there's already about 100 people that came and joined. I think we can get it into the thousands, right? If 5,000 people almost follow me on X and I barely post, I think we can get the the group up there to about a few thousand. So again, link is in the description down below. It's free, and there's nothing that it's just I'm going to be updating stuff that like this is breaking news. Maybe I have some opinions that or I want to talk about other stuff that maybe just I don't want to post too much on YouTube. So that's going to be going there. If there's any things that are happening with partners or anything like that, I can get it there to you first. And any breaking news, I can get to you as well there. So link is in the description down below if you are interested in that. Before, and I think that video is going to get suppressed a little bit just because of the new video. We talked about the fact that potentially we could be seeing the president announcing that there could be a tariff dividend of at least $2,000 per person. The market reacted to that, by the way, before, and it kind of sold off of that news. But then I think this news had us moving a little bit more to the upside. That news didn't really send us, upward because the tariffs can still get canceled. Okay, so by the Supreme Court. So again, if you've seen that news, it's something that you need to take into consideration. Okay, and the market, it's still volatile, but there are opportunities here. We still have the promotion going on with our partner BTCC. If you're interested, we're giving away a nice amount here. So if you are interested in that giveaway, link is in the description down below. Also through my sign up list here, and you can get it through my links, right? So check that out in the description down below as well on the email list, but you can also get the links there as well. So if you are interested, again, link is in the description down below, and please trade responsibly. Also in that group, maybe some of what am I doing, what am I feeling, what are my things that I'm potentially doing. So if you are interested, again, the Telegram group, join that today, right? Before it's too late. No, no, we'll keep it open for a while. Initially I was concerned that spammers and scammers are going to come into the group, and so I wanted to keep it more or less private and have only people that would follow a certain thing. But you know what? I wanted to be more inclusive and have everybody in it. So that's why I decided to open it up. So again, link is in the description down below if you are interested. Again, it's on Telegram. I know some people were like a little bit concerned about that, but you can open up in your browser, or you don't have to have it on your phone as well. If you are, in crypto, every single project has a Telegram group. You talk to people from crypto. The first thing is, even when I was at the conference, by the way, in Singapore. When you meet someone and their first thing is, oh, let's talk. Oh, what's your Telegram? And you just you scan it and you add the person. So that's easy for what's the word, networking. So again, in the crypto world, it's big. So again, if you are interested, link is in the description down below. Again, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Remember, I will not DM you. I will not contact you on social media outside of the things that we talk about. My Twitter accounts, this Telegram group, and this YouTube channel. There is another group that has my likeness and has my name, but that's not me. I've reported them, but sometimes things don't get removed fast, so don't interact with that group. The one that is here with the link. Okay, don't be looking for me. Only go through my links and where I post. Okay, very, very important. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.